Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to use the mouse. Right here I have a desktop mouse and I have a laptop mouse. Both of them are the same thing but in different ways. Okay, looking at the mouse, look at my hand. This is the proper way to hold a mouse. Here is your primary mouse button and here is your secondary mouse button. When I mean primary, I mean it is used to do your basic task. For example, I have license folder on my desktop. With it, I can just double click and it opens the license folder for me. It's easy. It did the primary function for me. So if I want to use the secondary mouse button to do the same thing, I'll right click on it. It asks me to open, and I'll use my left mouse to click. That is how to use your mouse on clicks. But furthermore, if you are not in haste, I can teach you more things about the mouse. Many people don't know how to hold the mouse. Some hold the mouse this way, which is very wrong. They operate it like this. It is wrong. The appropriate way to hold the mouse is to let it rest in the palms of your hands. Yes, and then you move it with your wrist. You move your wrist to get it moved. Look at the screen, see how easy it's moving. That is how to hold a mouse. Some people will hold a mouse and drag it on the desk all around. That is wrong. So once you hold the mouse appropriately, you put your pointer and your middle finger on the buttons. When you want to click, you click and you stop. When you want to right click, you right click. So that is how to use a mouse. Furthermore, there are other things you can use your mouse. There are ways you can use your mouse. Types of clicks. First of all, when you single click, it selects. Look at my screen. When you single click, it selects. Then when you double click quickly in less than a second, it opens. Single click to close, double click to open. That is how the primary mouse button works. The secondary mouse button gives you advanced options. Example, license folder, I right click on it. It gives me open, gives me pin to quick access, send to, cut, copy, create, delete, rename, and so many more options. That is what the secondary mouse button is capable of doing. Now let's talk about the wheel. It has a wheel here, the mouse wheel. It screws. So let's see how it works. This is an example of a document. I screw up and down. You can see here, up and down of the page. So if you don't have a wheel, you can hold it, use your primary mouse button, you click and hold and then drag it down. It also screws. That is how they work. So do have a nice day. Hope to see you. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share to get more updates from me concerning the computer. Thank you.